Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a brand new video. First of all, open the link which is going to be in the description. As you open the link, you can see the dashboard like this ecobit.com. Ecobit is a platform where you can trade, where you can copy trade, where you can do copy trading, where you can do spot trading with over 100 pairs, and you can do a flexible future trading with a flexible leverage of 125x up to 125x. So we can see various options in the header section: ecobit market spot future, copy trading affiliate program, login and register, where trades echoes into an endless future, trade with confidence, simplicity and expertise. Strategic new listing UMA trading pair, UMA by USDT. Future new listing bio by USDT, 20,000 USDT is up for grab. Here's the crypto market update. We can see hot coins and top gainers like BTC current price is 112k 181 to 1.25% change in the last 24 hours, and the total volume in the last 24 hours is 184.93 million. As we can see, the top gainers party is going on the top of the top gainers list with a price of 0.2095 and 16.11% change in the last 24 hours with a high volume of $7.57 million. What are the platform advantages? You will get user friendly interface, trade with ease on a simple platform for everyone, top level security, your money and data are safe with strong encryption and security, Maya's global coverage, access global markets through widely supported cryptocurrencies. Start your crypto journey user friendly. You can download it for Android and iOS. You can register from right here. I'll tell you about it. Wait a second. You can trade in sport with over 100 trading pairs. I already told you about it. You can do trading in future, trade futures with flexible leverage up to 125x. Trade anywhere, anytime. Scan this QR code to get the app, or you can download the app from App Store, Google Play, Android, and test flight. Our official partners are CoinMarketCap, Cosmos, Medium, NP, Near, NFT Trendings, and Tech Bullion. Start your crypto journey now. I'll tell you about it. Wait a second. Also, you can join our social official channels like Twitter, like Telegram, like YouTube, like Medium, like Instagram, and Discord. Also, you can see the customer support is right here, support at ecobit.com. You can see live chat boot right here of Ecobit. Live chat boot is also here. You can get live official support. Enter your name and send, or you can enter your message to ask any question from Ecobit. Here is the Instagram of Ecobit with 10.4k followers. Join their official social channels to get latest updates about Ecobit. Here is the Medium. Here is the YouTube of Ecobit Exchange. Here is the Telegram. Here is the Twitter. We can see with 41.1k followers and a verified account. Also, here is the Discord. So, firstly, click register. If you want to register, it's very easy. Enter your email, enter your password, click I have read and agree, and click register. After that, you will receive an verification code on your email. After putting the verification code, your account is created. I already made it an account, so I'm going to log in it. Going to log in my account, login, and password. It's logged in. Solve a small captcha and verification success. I have to put my login code, which will I receive in the Gmail section. Here I am going to put my code, and next step. It's logged in. My account is logged in. You can see the dashboard of my account, of my profile right here. Ecobit.com. You can trade future trade. You can do future trade, sport trade, and copy trade in Ecobit. It's all in one platform with a total of 100 plus pairs, 100 plus trading pairs, and a flexible leverage of over 125x. It's loading. It will take a minute. Wait for it. Okay, my account is logged in. Here you can see my current assets is of 0 USDT, and we can see sport account, future account, and follower account for copy trading by just clicking on it. Also, we can see my profile and my UID right here, my coupons, my invitations, and here is the markets. You can explore markets by just clicking on markets. You can explore sport trading, or you can do sport trading by just clicking on sport. Like this, you can click on future to trade in future. It will take just a minute to load. Rather than that, I'm going to tell you about that Business Insider, official Business Insider. I will tell you about it. Wait a second. Okay, here you can see the market, hot coins, top gainers, and the last 24-hour volume, sport trading pairs, and future trading pairs. Also, you can do any trading pair and add it as a favorite in your favorite section. There is an affiliate program. Also, just click on affiliate program, ecobit.com/partner. Up to 10,000 USDT financial support. Join now. Exclusive benefits of a partner, tier rebate rewards, marketing and platform support, exclusive event participation, co-branded collaborations. Who can join? Crypto KOLs and KOCs, community leaders and industry pioneers can join the partner program, can join the affiliate program of Ecobit. How to join? Submit your application via the provided link detailing your promotion strategy and resources. Once approved, visit the official Ecobit Invitation Center to obtain your unique referral link and promotion code for easy tracking. Earn industry leading rebates when you referral trade via your exclusive link. Monitor performance through the Ecobit affiliate dashboard, tracking referred users, transaction data, and earn rewards. Apply to become an Ecobit partner now. Just click on join now to apply for affiliate partner. I'm going to tell you about that Business Insider published an article on Ecobit saying that Ecobit secures CZAC VASP license and partners with Coin1 to enhance crypto deposit and withdrawal services. It's published by Business Insider, markets.businessinsider.com. You can see right here. So it's a very good news that Ecobit secures CZAC VASP license and partners with Coin1 to enhance crypto deposit and withdrawal services. So that's a today's video. Hope so you understand the video. If you understand the video, click the share button and share the video with your friends. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.